I recently trimmed my trees and was in need of disposing the branches, so I purchased this electric wood chipper. It has many great features. I like that it is so compact, making storage easy. Setup was a breeze. It was up and running in 10 minutes, and the manual was easy to understand. I had never used a wood chipper or wood shredder before, but I figured this one out right away. I love that it includes extra blades, gloves, the 50-liter collection bag, and even protection goggles. The motor is powerful and not too loud. It handled thin and thick branches very well. The wheels make it easy to move around the yard. I also like that it has overload protection, a waterproof plug, and a locking knob. The cord is pretty short though. You'll definitely need an extension cord. I have many, so I didn't mind this at all. Figuring out how to hang the collection bag was a bit tricky at first, but I did it. Overall, it does a great job at turning tree branches with leaves into mulch. And it is fast. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.